Maintaining your electrical meter and service line is your responsibility as a homeowner. The power company, often referred to as the POCO, is not responsible for maintaining the equipment on your property. When issues arise with your meter or service line, it is crucial to understand the potential consequences, including disconnection of power. The service line is the electrical cable that runs from the power company's grid to your home's meter. This line is your responsibility to maintain. If it deteriorates or becomes damaged, it can lead to power outages or even safety hazards. Regular inspections of your service line are advisable, especially in older homes. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, exposed wires, or corrosion. If you notice any of these issues, contact a qualified electrician immediately. The electrical meter measures the amount of electricity your household consumes. It is typically located on the exterior of your home. While the power company owns the meter, you are generally responsible for its physical protection and accessibility. For instance, ensuring that bushes or other obstructions do not block access to the meter for reading or maintenance is typically your responsibility. Damage to the meter, whether accidental or due to neglect, can result in you being held liable for the cost of repair or replacement. A faulty or tampered meter can lead to inaccurate billing, which can cause disputes with the power company. It is important to report any suspected meter malfunction to the power company promptly. If you fail to maintain your service line or meter properly, the power company may have grounds to disconnect your power supply. Disconnection is usually a last resort, but it is a necessary measure to prevent safety hazards or to address non-compliance with regulations. Before disconnecting your power, the power company is typically required to provide you with a notice of violation and an opportunity to correct the issue. This notice will specify the reason for the potential disconnection and the steps you need to take to avoid it. Act promptly upon receiving such a notice. Contact an electrician to assess the problem and provide you with a written estimate for the necessary repairs. Communicate with the power company to inform them of your progress in addressing the issue. Once the repairs are complete, provide the power company with proof of the work performed, such as an invoice from the electrician. By taking these steps, you can demonstrate your commitment to resolving the issue and avoid disconnection of your power supply. In some cases, the power company may offer assistance programs to help you afford the cost of repairs. These programs may provide financial assistance, low-interest loans, or payment plans to help you get your electrical system back in good working order. Check with your local power company to see if they offer any such programs. In addition to maintaining your meter and service line, it is also important to practice electrical safety in your home. Avoid overloading electrical circuits, use extension cords safely, and never attempt to repair electrical equipment yourself unless you are a qualified electrician. Electrical safety is paramount to protect yourself, your family, and your property from electrical hazards. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical maintenance or safety, consult a qualified electrician. A qualified electrician can provide you with expert advice and perform necessary repairs to ensure your electrical system is safe and reliable. Neglecting your responsibility for maintaining your meter and service line can have serious consequences, including power outages, safety hazards, and financial liability. By understanding your obligations and taking proactive steps to maintain your electrical system, you can avoid these problems and ensure a safe and reliable power supply for your home. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations and safety. Familiarize yourself with the relevant sections of the NEC to ensure your electrical system complies with current standards. This code is updated regularly to reflect new technologies and safety practices. Regular inspections by a qualified electrician can help identify potential problems before they become serious. Schedule periodic inspections to ensure your electrical system is in good working order. An electrician can also provide you with recommendations for upgrades or improvements to enhance safety and efficiency. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous. Always hire a qualified electrician for any repairs or installations. Never attempt to do electrical work yourself unless you have the necessary training and experience. Improper electrical work can lead to serious injury or even death. Stay informed about electrical safety and maintenance. Attend workshops, read articles, and consult with experts to expand your knowledge. The more you know about your electrical system, the better equipped you will be to maintain it safely and effectively. Contacting your local power company with questions is advisable. They can provide you with valuable information about your responsibilities, assistance programs, and safety guidelines. Keep their contact information readily available in case of emergencies. By taking responsibility for maintaining your meter and service line, you are protecting yourself, your family, and your property. A well-maintained electrical system is essential for a safe and comfortable home. In conclusion, understanding and fulfilling your responsibilities regarding your electrical meter and service line is crucial for ensuring a safe and reliable power supply. Proactive maintenance, regular inspections, and prompt repairs are key to avoiding costly disruptions and potential hazards. Consulting with qualified electricians and staying informed about electrical safety standards are essential practices for every homeowner. Remember, neglecting these responsibilities can lead to power disconnections and financial liabilities, while diligent care ensures peace of mind and a secure electrical infrastructure for your home.